Hi beauties, welcome back. As someone who values skincare as much as makeup, I was intrigued by Glow Recipes Hue Drops Sun Glow Serum. Promising a sheer warm glow while incorporating skin-loving ingredients, it sounded like a dream come true. After incorporating it into my routine for a while, here are my thoughts. Firstly, I appreciate the brand's commitment to celebrating natural beauty and empowering individuals to embrace their uniqueness. This philosophy resonates throughout their products, including these Hue Drops. The serum's formulation is impressive, boasting key ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and centella asiatica. Niacinamide works wonders in brightening the skin and reducing the appearance of pores, while hyaluronic acid keeps the skin hydrated and plump. Centella asiatica, known for its calming properties, helps soothe any redness or irritation. Upon application, the serum delivers an instant warm glow, perfect for achieving that coveted summertime radiance. Whether used as a standalone product or mixed with foundation for added luminosity, it effortlessly enhances the complexion. Texture-wise, the serum feels lightweight and gel-like, absorbing quickly into the skin without any heaviness. It provides a subtle bronzy rose gold tint that gives the skin a healthy gold summery sun-kissed appearance. However, it's worth noting that the fragrance might not be everyone's cup of tea. While I personally didn't mind it, some might find it overpowering. Additionally, despite its hydrating properties, I found myself needing to layer on additional moisturizers for extra hydration, especially during drier months. Overall, Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Hue Drops Sun Glow Serum is a standout product for achieving a natural, luminous glow. While it may not be a one-size-fits-all solution, its versatility and skin-loving ingredients make it a worthy addition to any skincare or makeup routine.